Okay. Let me check. What is this? Where am I live streaming now? Channel? Yeah, it's here. I'm live. WebDev working in public. I'm gonna change this 13. Yeah. I mean, why putting the date? You can see the date here. Stream 1 day ago, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So tomorrow or the next stream or whatever, I'm changing the name of the streaming. Anyway, now this works, so let's go to the problem. Let's go open the coding thing. And let's run, let's go open Docker desktop. And I'm curious if this program is actually running, the containers. They may be running, let's see. No, they can't, they are not running. I need to run the script. So let's close Docker desktop. And let's take a look at this, because basically, yeah, makes sense. It makes sense. Okay, so here, that's the challenge here is that this, I asked ChatGPT to generate a replace function for this this thing has replace file. Let's see, replace the file that gives it properties and attributes. Replace file, old upload ID, new file path, old file. Okay. I have no idea how this backend is constructed, so obviously pass an ID. Okay, sure. Okay. Is there something like this here, or is making things up? Yeah, there are some git logs, but just comment it out. There's gotta be an app. What? This is gotta be here, right? The upload file. How is the API connected? How is this API connected to handle replace? Oh yeah, sure. Handle replace file. Mounted function this next tick. Event API use. There is a form here. This API thing is creating a form. Wait. This is already working, so I can now refresh this thing. I need to redo this whole thing, but I need to apply the stash because this is a fix. Refresh this thing. I'm gonna log in as admin, and I'm gonna update this data set. So the user needs to update the files. This go to the next. This works and instructions. Log out, then log in as user. Then go here and upload the files. And so there is this feature here. And go to the view thing. And the API is inside this thing. If I go here and browse some files, like this one, for example. Okay. We have API, default local ops store, callbacks, state, files empty. If I click upload file, something happened here. There is an API thing, API placeholder, extension, PDF, meta, blah, blah, blah. It's added some data, okay? What is all this stuff? Okay, but I don't know, I don't care. Now if I click on done, still have this API placeholder thing. If I click this next metadata button, what happens? Should be a, so there is an input, there is a form. This form does something with the API. First checksum, emit complete. Next meta. Wait, this is, should disable this. So this page navigation is going to, oh, it triggers a URL navigation. This thing is authorize annotate files ID identifier. It goes to the next one. Yeah, so the file upload happens before. Something that would be nice is that this is, there's something happening in the backend, and I want to understand how this is happening. This API thing is emitting events, and in the event bus. What is using the event bus? I can ignore the spec also. Not spec. Okay, so this ticket is going to be more challenging because I don't understand how this whole thing. I think I should ask I think I should review it, have a rough plan, and then ask coworkers to help me decide if it's a good plan or not. So this is the file that has the functions, right? Update uploads, get uploads, email sends, get uploads, update. make HTTP put to file upload wizard to update and upload. Param int upload ID of the upload to update post data. Array of values to update the uploads attribute with. This is the attributes thingy. The upload ID is to get the API endpoint. Okay, I see. It's creating a put request. I don't know. Why do we end up with all these spaces? It's to create a put request. Okay, Google. Set an alarm for 5:55 p.m.
You got it. Your alarm's set for 5:55 p.m.
There's a lot of spaces here, and then there's a put request. So let's try to keep track of how this thing works. File update apps, update apps, up address. So there is an update uploads. Let's copy relative path, update upload, calls put request. Okay, what about post? Is that like a post request? What are the requests we have here? Request put, just a put request. Okay, so how does it upload a file? Again, I have this putty. Where is it? What is it? File uploader. Let's remove this thing for a second. Uploader. You have this component with this thing. Identifier, endpoint. What is endpoint here? Endpoint is file server. Okay. And what is the endpoint used for? What is this endpoint used for API? This is for resemble file uploading. Okay. Tool of the server. It's a file server here. This is my local file server. Yeah, something like this. It looks to me that it's a directory inside the Docker container. So what it's doing. This tools for resumable. Is this resumable uploads? Yes. Its purpose is to enable the resume file uploads, but it's temporarily putting the file, what's that? Partial upload? Is it like a buffer, blob? Buffer? I don't know. It's not a buffer. It's a. Let's assume it's a blob or some other kind of partial file. So it's a partial upload, and this information, this partially uploaded file, it's temporarily stored in a file server endpoint. Okay, but that's temporary. That's not the final storage place. Here I have some uploads, location, giga, file drop. There is a file drop. They are storing the file. Well, no, it's not the. They are accessible through the file drop. And I'm just looking at how is the process of uploading the files. Let's go to the guide, choosing the uploader really. API core, I guess, API core. Working with API files. The API core is like a new API instance, and should be some methods here. This is to use plugins. Add file. Then we have dashboard. Dashboard is, yeah, dashboard, line, target, height, show, meta fields, name and description, cal. So we have this dashboard thing, which when a file has finished uploading, well, okay, hold on. I guess there should be an event fired when a file is finished uploading. So let's go to this. This is a view instance, simply a view instance. Oh, that's the, I see, that's the stage value, that's the second argument. So all these emitters, that metadata ready, state change, checksum complete. Okay, this is, yeah, complete. This is just setting some data. But what actually happens when I use API to upload something? Okay, let's take a look again at this. This is a file uploader. Identifier, endpoint upload, which didn't have it before, so we can kind of ignore the uploads. We have the aside. Page navigation. I don't see. I don't see anything like. I don't see any connection with between this component and the backend, because I don't see. This is not calling any method. I mean, the endpoint is the only thing here. Choose endpoint. I'm assuming this is for the intermediate files, but maybe it's for the final one. I'm yawning quite a lot. I had lunch like 1 hour ago, and I really shouldn't drink so much coffee, but it could be my third coffee today, and it's gonna help. It's gonna help me. It's gonna help me. I think 3 coffees a day is okay. By the way, I'm using Ubuntu and OBS, and here I'm. Oh, there you are, the chat. I was saying I'm having problems to see the chat, but no, here it is. Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna grab a coffee. I'm gonna see what's the if there are some logs in the containers. I'm not sure which container is it. Oh, there is a TOS container. Hold on. There is a TOS container. Deployment TOS TOS endpoint. Hold on, what? Do I need to understand that? Yeah, because I need to upload a file, which means that I need the TOS. I need the API file uploader again. This is a bit complicated, honestly. I'm not sure. So basically, I'm following the strategy I planned before, which is develop a rough strategy, and I'm gonna post it in the issue because I'm not sure how to do it. How does it work? Well, I mean, okay, there is some kind of dust stuff here. There is a task thing in this prototype controller. This is the endpoint for task, I see. Smoke test controller. Task control. There is a task controller. Copy path. But put this off screen. Yeah, I'm giving myself like 10 minutes more because otherwise I'm wasting too much time. So there is a task. Well, I'm just not sure. I'm not let's see, there is a TUS. I'm not sure if the this TUS endpoint that I've seen before is where the final file is stored. Or not where the final file is stored. Where I'm wondering whether there is some kind of post request, and that's the endpoint path or part of the endpoint path. I just don't understand how this whole system works yet. What I clearly see is that there are two files here: files annotate, files upload, and this file upload is the one that I'm concerned about now. This has the API. It passes an endpoint which is used by TUS, the TUS plugin, and then this file is also using some data which why like this is not consistent. This is not consistent. Why is this done like this? Anyway, if it works, it works. So we have this file with this API inside, and then we have file upload action, which has some, hold on, which renders this file and then passes some data to it. Uploads con, and so on. The TUS path also, that's the TUS path. Okay, interesting. And then we have this this PHP component which has a file upload service. File upload, file drop, feature flag, formatted, sort, emails. So email send, we can get out there. Get uploads. What is this use? File upload, yeah, indeed, it's used here to get the uploaded file. Yeah, I suspected that. To get file uploads, then we have update upload. This is used in the file uploads, file annotate, file annotate action, update upload, because this is for damn, man, this is kind of hard to read. This is running with upload and then post upload. This is using the upload ID as an index. So I guess that this is set post. This is I'm not sure what this $post is, but I guess it's getting a payload from the form. I guess it's what it is, the payload from the form. So it's getting all the attributes, and it gets the attributes by upload ID or by file ID. So, and then let's go back here, and then we have, okay, so this is for uploading attributes, clearly. That's the post data. Yeah. Upload multiple string doi for which to update the uploads. Positive values to update the upload attribute. Yeah. Okay, I understand. This is for the multiple. This is when we upload the Excel, and this is when we create attributes one at a time. And then we have delete uploads. ID of archive. Make HTTP put to file upload wizard to archive and upload. We have an endpoint, okay. Okay. Is this thing? Huh. See, this is some config. Docker compose. Is there like a container with this name? Not really. Not really. So I think this is to delete, to archive files. Not the name. I don't like the naming because it's not. This is for attributes. This is for files. So I'm gonna get the attributes by upload ID, and then there is a set attributes. Yeah, okay. Where is this used? Is this used? I think it should be used in this, no? There are a lot of functions that are named the same but do different things, I think. Or maybe they do the same thing and are used in many places. This should be related. This is where we use get attributes. Okay, so maybe I was mistaken. This is to set attributes. Sorry, not the set here. This is to set attributes. Delete recorded attributes and add new ones, if any. Okay. Fine. Make it use for file upload wizards to add new attributes. Having set, and then we have add. Yeah, okay. HTTP get to file upload wizard to get mockup. What is this thing? Mockup? Ah, this is for the backend, I think. Yeah, I think this is for the backend. That's it. So now I'm actually confused. This is to delete files. This is to, it's called delete uploads. And what about update up? This is gonna be, this is upload ID of the upload, first array of values to update the uploads attribute with. So is this for attributes or for uploads? We have this post data. So we're gonna, for sure we're gonna, oh, we have an endpoint. So we have this token. Okay, we get this endpoint, and then we do a post request with the post data, and this post data. What kind of data is this post data? Man, you know, that's why TypeScript is so good, and that's why I don't like working with this kind of legacy technologies. It's PHP, it's not legacy, but this file is, well, it's not, this file should not be so old, but I don't like that I don't have types here. I should maybe use this other IDE, IntelliJ or whatever it's called, that may have types thingies. Or then I have this PHP thing also, which I disable because just in case it was consuming too much memory. IntelliFence. Maybe I should use that. Maybe I should use that. Because not having contextual help is painful. So first of all, let's see from where this function is called. From here. And this is, wow. This is, I don't even know what, this is a controller, renders this, render identifier, renders this, passing identifier loads attribute file types. And this update upload, it's looks like we're putting, yeah, I'm not sure. Are we passing this thing somehow, this function? No, I shouldn't be passing this function. This is two different. We are not passing this function to JavaScript, to a view application, because it wouldn't work. We cannot pass a PHP function as a prop to a view component. It wouldn't work. Okay, but still the fact is that we're calling this thing here with this post. We're doing this intercepts post requests, and we have here files annotate. Okay, this files annotate has a form, and this form is like, I don't know, it's just a form. A form with a section, with dataset info, with something here, and with this thing. This is a view component. Huh? Oh, file annotator. And this file annotator doesn't trigger post method. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Here there is a form. Wait a second. This is not good. Here there is a form for this thing. This to upload the spreadsheet. Good. Are there any more forms here? No. But there is a form here. The thing that renders this thing is this thing. And there is an end form here. And there is a begin form here. Do I have nested forms here? Because I don't like nested forms. Let's go next. So here there is a form, and here there is another form. That's great. It's not good. And then there's an action, which is sends pause. Wait, what? Wait, what? Hold on. How? How does this even, like, where is the thing? What is this? How do you know that you have to make a post request to this path? Authorized data set. How do you even know that? That's... Is it because... Hold on, it's because it's the current URL? No, wait, no. It's not that. Maybe that's the default of the begin form? Post request with the current URL. I mean, wait a second. Is it even the current? It's the current URL. Okay. So it's the current URL. Apparently, oh my god, this is this. Why? So apparently, this thing. If you don't specify anything, the default is use the current URL as path and the post as default method, which maybe makes sense. No. Is this like a G thing? This is Yi, I guess. Web helper. Not sure, to be honest. Yeah, it's a web helper. So let's see the default. What will it render when I do a begin form? Public methods begin begin form. Fix action. We have an action. The default method is post, I see. And the default action, I mean, my only conclusion is that it's the current URL. And so there is a post request with whatever form fields, which are by the way, what is the this? I don't like this at all. Having this form here and the fields are inside this thing. It's what it is, right? It's what it is. And then there is inside another form. No, please. No, please. No, not this, please. Not this, please. This is not good at all. Warn, this form is nested inside another form. Pretty sure HTML nested forms is not good. No nested forms. Yeah, that's a lot of that's a lot of things to fix here. There is a nested form here. This is not good. There is a submit button, which I don't know what it's doing. Like it will trigger this post request. To the same URL, I guess. That's the default. Like it doesn't do anything. That's the default inside a form. Buttons inside a form submit by default, unless I specify type button. And Yeah, but I want to see what is the submit button here. These are the form fields, and there is this thing also. There is this button ID add. No, wait a second. Is this also nested? Yeah, it's nested, man. No. Not forms inside other forms. Not forms inside other forms. Oh gosh, no. Okay. We have this and this, and how is this? Age 12 years. This this is not name age 12 years. So if I click outside, this is cleared. We have here this thing now. Okay. I close this and I open this thing again, it's saved. So what is going on here? Fetch, post, setting, headers, get. Let's take a look at this. Why is it consoling log so many stuff? Move attributed 0. Name, age, 12 years. There is no post request in the backend. There is this thing. Closing attributes panel. How is this? There is no pause request or anything, so I'm gonna guess this is not talking to the backend. So if I hard refresh this, oh yeah, this is gone. Everything is gone. How do I save this thing? Shouldn't I see a button here? Hold on. There is only one button here. What about the parent end form? Yep, I am a little bit confused here, to be honest.
All right. Yeah, first step. We are back to the steps before. Public.
None of this is about here. Okay, it's too much.
Check is very
Hold on.
for all of the. If you are happy with it, that's still on the form. That's anywhere.
Okay, hold on. That's in another component. The page navigation, complete and return. If stage annotating, metadata complete. True. Alright, so I can easily check that those values by going to the view properties, page navigation, identifier, uploads exist undefined, notation URL, metadata complete, stage annotating, the complete false. Hold on, wait, what? It's telling me that upload exist is undefined. But isn't this an upload? I don't understand. Did I break this thing also? Uploads. Oh, wait, it's not. Hold on. Did I delete it by accident? Did I delete this thing by accident?
Yeah. Yeah.
Or I'm just being confused by something else. Because this button does, if this button does not depend on any of that. Stage annotating, metadata complete. True. Hold on. I converted this to a computed property. This is a data. And this is an array. Nope. So this, I don't know, man. It's within reason that this may have to be a method. So it's text, yeah, text, lorem. But if I use this text lorem, oh no, it's I'm what? Hold on. Maybe it didn't have time to refresh yet. Let's refresh again. It's not showing up. If I do this, if I do lorem, it's not showing. Damn it! That's why it needs to be an. That's why it needs to be a method. Gotcha. It needs to be a method because it needs to recompute because. Oh, I think it should work. So this is an array, which is, why should this be an array? This is uploaded files, which is an array, fair enough. And this thing, this meta complete, true. Okay, this is, yeah. Here, this thing is not being, this change is not reactive. This change is reactive. This is not reactive. So most of these are not reactive. What is this true thingy doing? I see something being set to true here. And this is, wow, this is really hard to read. What is happening here? But this is not this is not reactive. It's changing the value of one of the array elements, but since nothing is gonna happen here. And then we have if the length is the same, I feel like this is filtering. Here it has uploaded files length, which is sure. Then it has what? It's not. This value is not used for anything. Oh no, it's used for this thing. Fair enough, right or not? So doing filter, taking the index. If the index, what is happening here? If the is taking the index and the value, it's not doing anything with the values ever, I think, right? Here it's just setting the value. Yeah, it's setting the value. Here is whatever, initializing. Here it's taking the length, so nothing with value. Here again the length, setting the value, and here it's picking the index and checking if the index is what? Why? What? How? What? This really, what is it trying to do here? This really confuses me. This is filter the ones which are not, if the index is not equal to this, then it's true. So this file has changed. This upload index file has changed. Sure, so it's gonna, this doesn't make any sense at all. This doesn't make any sense at all. Should store an array of upload indexes, something like that. Not really. We just need to. We don't need an array here at all. We can just use a number, I think. It should be a number, like a number of uploads with number of meta complete uploads, something like that. We are not using the array for anything. This meta complete upload index, this is not good. This is not good at all. It's never use this. This is really buggy. You cannot do this in JavaScript. Maybe you can, but this is not the way. It's not that you can't. You can if you want, but it's not. You don't assign values to arbitrary indexes in JavaScript. Arrays are dynamic and don't have a specific allocated space. You can create an empty array and then assign the value whatever to index 1000, but you shouldn't. You shouldn't do it. Yeah, this is like, this should be a refactor. And also, like, what is all this thing? What is this conditional? What is this conditional? So yeah, let's roll this back. I understand you cannot do this thing like this, so let's roll this back. Let's add these things. Let's uncomment this. Wait, I lost. There was a change here. Oh yeah, this thing. Let's go back here. And yeah, no. First, let's form. Then I think there is another. Another form here. Wait. There's an input, there is a tag. What is this tag thingy? For closable ID sampler. Wasn't this a form? Isn't this a form or not? This is a form. New attribute form. So let's go in here. Yeah, form, new attribute form. This form is nested inside another form. Then we go to the ID sampler. And we click here. I don't think this is a form. I don't think this is a form. Yeah. No. This we cannot. This is crazy, man. We cannot wrap all this with a header inside. This is not good at all. This is not a header, man. This is it should not be a header, and you cannot just wrap everything in the same form, and that's crazy. Wrapping the whole page in the same form. This is also in the same form, just position absolute. This is not. This is should be fixed. That like be nice to fix this thing. So let's now go to the other thing. Here there is this property which unfortunately needs to be a method. Needs to be a method. Needs to be a method. This thing. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Here. Yep. Need to do that. Otherwise, nothing will work. No. Wait, what? Is metadata complete function return? Oh, yeah. This is what I want. It should work, I think. Maybe didn't yet finish this thing. I don't know. Length, lorem. Now it shows up. Okay. Okay, yes, sure. Let's make a note here. Born cannot turn into computed drop because view is not reactive to changes in array elements. And then also warn. This could be refactored, I think. This is really convoluted, man. This is like here you're just you only want this. God damn it! Here you just updated, computed this. Here you actually use the value of the length, and here no. Everywhere else you're just updating the value. Here the only place you use that is to compare, just to check that whether the total number of files is equal to the total number of files which have the metadata complete. So you don't need an array, you just need a number. Or you could, I don't know, you could even add you really only need the number, you don't need an array. Sure. Add code warnings for future ref. Meta complete num 0. Or yeah, 0, right? This meta complete num That's it, right? So just do this, and maybe it's gonna break completely now. I don't know. Maybe it breaks completely, but it doesn't seem to be breaking completely. Yeah, it breaks. Breaking. It's not. This is not how it works then. Let's see. Meta thing is not even showing up. Save. Oh yeah, it's because I was looking at the wrong. So you have meta complete num. Let's see. If I select this and here lorem. Oh, it's showing a 6 now. Why? Wait. Oh yeah, okay, I get it. It's every change. I see, now I understand what it's doing that. I understand why it's doing that. This runs on change. This runs on input change, yeah. And it's passing the upload index. Yeah, but you just can't. You can just do this with this is, I've never seen. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. You in JavaScript, it's not common to treat arrays like this. You cannot just like add whatever to whatever index if it's not initialized. So you're gonna have something like this. If this is index 3, you're gonna have this. Actually, this true. Or yeah, well, index 2. I mean 0, 1. It's gonna be empty. And I think this is not, well, I mean, this obviously this is not common in JavaScript, but I understand how it's working. But you would use I mean, it would be better to do push upload index. Upload index. Oops. Can do this. Actually, this. If it's included already, then if it's not included, add it. Filter val upload index. It should work all the same now. No? Yep. Yeah, it works. Let's upload, let's add more. Another placeholder, okay, load, next. So now, let's turn, select something here. Yeah, it works. Now it should actually be possible to do a computed property. Like this. Let's comment this out. Okay. F1 to metadata. Oh, yes. Three. Need to refresh, right? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Lorem. Okay, nice. Yeah. I mean, including or pushing or filtering. Yeah, this is better. Fit, refactor, complete, computed, drop. What? And save changes? Oh, I deleted this thing. Let's see. Okay, so that was fixed, but that was also not really part of the ticket. Let's go back again. No. Out. What is this? What? Git merge this. Okay. Oops. No, I didn't have to. Ouch. I know, it's actually okay. It's actually okay. Spend like 1.5 hours doing this, which means that about 3 hours. I'm gonna make a comment here now based on whatever findings I found. I think it's this file. What about the delete function? Not a file, not an image, a file. I meant a file. Okay, let's move on to the another task which is a bit simpler. Let's actually go back here. Yes, okay. Now let's open the full issues. Gosh, still 3 hours, almost 3 hours and a half. Oh yeah, I got a nice message. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Very nice. Okay, so I was doing this thing, waiting on other tickets, waiting on something. Tickets or feedback. Yes, okay, must need temporary. Yes, let's go. Let's move on to the. This is done. The other tickets are very easy, so adjust entry point of. Wait. No, not this one. This one. This is also done. So what about the next one? Email sent to author upon data type pending needs to be customizable. Also, update styles, make widget accessible. View. Yeah. This is gonna take like 6 hours maybe. No, this is gonna take more. This is gonna take more than let's give 2 days for that, because this means revamp design. This could take quite a long time. Make widget accessible. It should be very fast, I think. But let's give it 8 hours. Because I honestly don't know. It could be tricky depending on there are forms, make widget early, and refactor clean up HTML. This can actually take quite a lot because of these nested forms and stuff like that. Maybe a bit tricky. So let's set 2 days for that. Maybe a lot of changes, I'm not sure. Let's go to the next, which is this one. Email sent to author upon data pending status needs to be customizable. Let's take a look at this thing. Let's see how this works. Let's go to the nah, okay, hold on. Change button label. There is one which is super easy. This one is super easy. Must disable samples panel file upload. This is really extremely easy. Must disable samples panel in file upload wizard. We have the video here. Yes, minute 9 says, right? Minute 9. Minute 9. Yeah, he's talking about that. Hide sample link button until we have the full submission wizard working, and there is currently no way for the user to add sample information to link to. I don't understand what sample information to link to. I understand what it does, but I don't understand this. When he says that the sample information can be linked to, well, I guess this is just the thing which is not implemented. Text to kebab case. Apparently I'm having a viewer now. Someone viewing this. Nice. So that's the branch name. So let's create a branch name here. New feature. It says must. Yes. So the must ones are the priority. Let's actually insert column to the left. Prio, basically prio. Should. Must. Okay. Yep. And to be honest, I want to get rid of this, but it doesn't really matter so much. If something is done, let me just mute it or whatever. If something is done, I would like to mute it. Maybe just move this column a bit further, like here. What about here? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, okay. And let's not select this column. Can I? No. Can I do this? Nope. I want to be able to order this. This is not good to have the total. Okay, let's get rid of the total, to be honest. Because I don't delete the lead row. I don't care about the total anymore, right? It's easy to add anyway. Prio, should. Yes, first must. First one, the must ones. This is waiting. You can delete this column also. Delete column. Let's keep the notes. Let's get rid of the days. So I'm working on this one. Yep. So to disable this panel, I just need to go to the file annotator, and we have here inside the table there are two buttons. Here one button, here another one. So let's hide this thing, and then also sample ID sampler. Yeah, so this one goes out. And this is not, this needs to be removed from here, man. This is terrible. This drawer, first of all, what these drawers have should be position absolute, so it doesn't really matter where you put this thing. Deep role document, what? Deep role document, what is this, man? This is What on earth? Role document. Gosh. Okay, so here is when it begins, the wrapper. There's a fixed, top, right, bottom, left, over, exactly, yeah. This is fixed. It can be, and it has a z index of whatever. This can be anywhere in the component tree, for the most part. It can be anywhere. And it's here, and I would honestly like if it was a separate component. Like, okay, let's do this experiment. Let's do an experiment. Let's actually grab this thing over here. Let's the other drawer. Let's grab this drawer. If uploaded files length larger than 0, why? Let's take this thing. Let's find this, okay. Let's put this thing right here, which is, hold on, we are L drawer, attributes drawer. There you go. And then it's telling me to have this also. Okay. I don't need to have a div separated here. Can have this. No, I can't, because this is not a, this is a view component, so I can't grab this, wrap it in a div. This. Can I don't remember if I can put v if. I think I can. I think I can actually. I can put b if in any view component. I'm pretty sure I can. Here the question is it gonna like break or something? Okay, yes. Yeah, works. It works the same, exactly the same. Doesn't need to be an easy, it can so easily be its separate component. So can I just create a oh, okay, well, that's the thing. That's the thing. Hold on. That's the thing. This is a loop. So this is going to create a bunch of instances of this thing. And you have this drawer title visible. It should be some data at some point. Attribute specify, passing the attribute here. Yeah, so this is actually, this is not. That's why you don't want to do it like this. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha. Because I don't want to have so many instances of this thing. Hold on. Okay. Save. Yeah, so no data. That's pretty much it, right? Maybe I should I could if I wanted to. It's out. Separate them. Yeah. So I commented out all the code, just make sure that this is not used somewhere else. Nope. Nope. Sure, comment out code related to sample ID. Dot code related to sample ID. Sure. Publish this branch to origin. And I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna run the tests just in case. It's kind of a waste of time in part because 99.9% of these tests are unrelated. Just to check that there is no test. Actually, maybe I can check manually if there is a test related to this button, which has sample IDs. So let's check. Remove this test thing. Okay, it's a tests. Can I press sample IDs? Can I add new samples to file upload? Yeah, I think this test is gonna fail. But also, there is this thing, this spreadsheet, which if I open it, it has, yeah, it's okay. It has these sample IDs. Question is, should I remove this thing? It's not allowing me to add the sample IDs here. But also, first of all, we have this example here. And we have this example. And then we have this upload metadata from spreadsheet button. Here there is one failing, which is like some tasks. Cross check in dev develop that. Same for my working branch. Yeah. Then we have these tests. Then we have these tests. These failing tests were here before. There's nothing new here. I'm not gonna run these ones because it takes too long. Instead, I'm gonna check upload metadata, upload metadata, checking tests only now. Spreadsheet which says submit, method post. It's a test. Method post and n-type multi-part form data. What is this thing doing? Sending a post request to the same URL, the same current URL, which is something like sending a post request to this URL. I need to get rid of the tests. We have here annotation URL. It's a controller here. That is here, application the shock sheet. Okay. And I think I'm going back to this render. Then there should be a files and upload something. There you go. No, this is a redirect. Let's check for post requests. Post request delete list. Post upload. Attributes delete. Post. What kind of request is this thing? Form ID, type class, methods. Let's take a look at the okay. I need to stop for a second. I need to collect my clothes. I'm gonna leave this on. It's gonna take like 5 minutes. Let's go on. Okay. So I spent like 10 minutes doing this so far. Now I'm gonna check something else, which is let's hide this thing. And here I have no changes. Sure, no changes. What I want to know is, because the development branch, there are some tests failing here, and I actually want to know which tests currently fail in the development branch. Otherwise I'm kind of lost when I run the test in my feature branch, to understand which ones fail in there. Otherwise I won't know, so I'm gonna create current failing tests develop branch. And then we have these scripts, which by the way I can remove the sudo. This. Okay, so here this one is failing. One of them, like this one. Okay, and that should be all. Yes, that's it. That's it. This one, probably none. Probably none. Okay. Here, none. Wait. There is a warning here, but this is not a failing test. No test of failing here. So this. none. 6 errors. Be a list here. Here's a list of the errors failing. 6 errors. Okay, and then we have this, which running this may slow down my computer, may stop the streaming. I'm not sure, but when this test is running, I cannot do anything else, essentially, because it requires too many resources. It's end-to-end test, so probably running headless browsers or something like that. So I need to wait, and this takes like 5 minutes, something like that. takes ages. All passed. All passed. Okay. Very interesting, to be honest. Okay. How long did it take to run this test? It took like more than 5 minutes. Okay, so this is pretty much like not done. Not exactly done. Because I'm not sure about this, but let's create a pull request for this. Let's go to my fork. Go to my fork. And sample either drawer from step 2 of uploads file from full. Yeah, this screen. Yeah, okay. Huh? Oh. Okay, I need to. Why do I need to do it again? Oh, yes. Oh, crap. Because every time I run the acceptance tests, it resets that part of the database. It resets I need to run this script again. I need to reset the state of the file upload wizard. Yep. It's 6:20. Still have 2 hours and a half more, which is okay because I woke up, but I woke up too late. I woke up too late and then I took some breaks, lunch break and so on. It's normally I would be done by this time. It's 2 hours more and a half, almost till 9 p.m. Oh, okay, it's what it is. It's what it is. Anyway, let's write the. Okay, done. Next, here. Huh? Okay. Let's remove the Docker containers. And let's run the script again. Yep. Let's continue writing this PR. Let's add some screenshots now. So now it should work. Here, data sets. Yeah, okay, here. I've done this so many times already. I'm not a fan of repeating the same thing over and over. But the thing is that I don't know how to. It would be too complicated to automate this thing. What? What? How? Why? Oh yeah, I'm done. Because I need to apply this fix. That's why. I need to apply this fix. Does it just work it now? Yes. I didn't need to rebuild the project. I just needed to apply the fix. I tend to forget. So now I can go here to upload files, upload a couple files. This one and this one. And just upload here. And I can just go to the pull request. Old, new. Old, new. This is the new one, and the old one is just gonna be me switching range. Excuse me. Except that I need to run this watch thingy. Switch branch again. Just gonna rebuild this thing, and then switch branch back. Once it stops rebuilding, then I refresh this page, and I just do this. This is the old one, and underneath you have the new one. So we draft the pull request. Go here. Disable, sure. Does it matter too? Does it matter that the bitrate is different? Bitrate is like, well, the number of bytes per unit time transferred through the network, I guess. Huh. I understand. So why? Hold on. Wait, let me copy. Let me copy that value. It's lower than the recommended bitrate, which is 6800. Okay. So we go to the settings. Video. No, output. Video bitrate. Okay. Yeah, let's apply this thing. But the network will consume more data, I think, now, but it should be okay because my internet is quite fast. Yeah, quite fast. Okay, so that would be the next task. This is kind of done. The screen is a bit bright. So much white. Look, you know what? I'm gonna use the night thing. Night light. Activate, and let's make it not so crazy. Like, yeah, this is okay. It may be too bright still, a little bit. What about this? Yeah, let's keep it like this. Okay, that's fine. I don't need color anyway. Okay, so this is the thing that I just did. Updates, and this was like a bit more time, like half an hour, a bit more. Yeah, 0.6, something like that. And the next thing, isn't there like a half done or something like that? Hmm. Okay, hold on. There's one thing I need to do also. Depths PR order. There you go. I need the I need to set the proper PR order. Wait, what? Huh? I have the same script running twice? No, it's not good. This is not good. Don't stop. Stop. Okay. So I have this project status thingy, and let's see. So we develop branch, and branches behind develop have branches that should be remerged. Do I have one of those? Okay, there is one here. Okay. Maybe I should get the link. Yeah, let's get the link. Let's get the link. It's much better. This merged. Anything that is above this branch, this merged is merged. Anything below is not merged. Or okay, let's make it more explicit, because otherwise it's hard to. Oops. Not merged. Yeah, that makes a bit more sense. And then we need to do this in order. The following branches need the following PRs. These are PRs actually, not issues. PRs. The following PRs needs to be merged to develop in the following order. Following a different order will cause unnecessary merge conflicts. Yes, okay, so let's go. Pull requests. Open by me. So yep, we have this thing. Then we have wait a second. Wait a second. Why is it draft? Draft. Yeah, I'm so confused. Okay, so these are all drafts, fine. I see, I understand. So this is the first one. Copy link address. Yep, let's get rid of this. This is the first one. This is the next one. Upgrade. Wait a second, wait a second. Open. Actually, should take the open ones. This is okay. So, okay, yeah, so this is great. Address. Copy link address. This comes next. I'm sorry, hello. Copy link address. Okay, so I have these 5 PRs, and this is not. Wait, what? Wait, API. Oh, this. Okay, no. Actually, this is this thing. This is the one that adds the new node version, so it needs to be after 1678, after 1678, and before this thing. Yeah. Okay. Nah, doesn't matter. I could also use the checkbox to indicate whether they are merged or not. Definitely could do that. Fine, so let's move on to the next now, which would be the must ones. Disable samples panel, the div section. Yeah, that should also be very easy. Go to any of the issues. Is an issue? No, this is a pull request. Issues, just go to any of them. It also hides some of this stuff. And let's grab this, put it here. Let's pick it up. Let's do this. Convert, there you go. Yep, then we go, let's put this aside. Let's grab this and let's create a new feature like this. Right, like this. Yeah, I mean that. I feel that this is conjoined front-end and back-end work. Let's remove this very quickly because this one is very easy. Update the tips section. We're talking about minute 7. So it's a pain in the ass that it's referencing the video all the time. It's good, but yeah. Yeah, it's, wait, hold on. It's referencing this, yep. So go to this step. Update the tip section to include relevant links to guides with don'ts and not do's of files to upload. Wait, what happened here? How did I end up here? How did I end up here? There you go. They're talking about this page. Okay, so what, how is this is a file uploader, and why this is so, yeah, so light. Here we have a bunch of files of sorry, of item format. Let's upgrade this. Oh, it's a PHP file. I have a bunch of list of items. If I save this thing, does it change? No, it doesn't change. Hold on. It has to be inside the tips. Wait, what? What? Huh? Hold on. Huh? Didn't I fix it? Didn't I fix this already? Wait. Wait a moment. Ah, no. This should be in the refactor, man. This should be in the refactor. Oh, damn it. Let's copy this whole thing, right? Okay, let's copy this whole thing. Let's add it in the format view code. Save. So if I refresh this thing, oops, no. I refresh this. Don't get the error anymore. Okay, yes, fix. So fix it. Fix. Prop type error. Fix prop type error. Okay, there you go. Now I need to do this. Yeah, let's leave it. Now let's go for to adjust entry point for others. No. Disable. Wait, let's format view codes. Do ls just to copy the branch name. Copy. Now we have this format view codes. Which one is the next one? Yeah, at this point, like I've been working almost 6 hours. At this point, I'm getting a bit tired. If I go to here to the, where is this thing? Here. So here I have. Sorry. Can I? It's okay. Format and clean view components. Fine. Yeah, this is all new, sure. This thing is number, hold on, pull 1685. So the next one is what I need to merge. 1610. Name number 1610. So let's anyway, let's copy this. Go to 1610 and do git merge. This one. New branch feature code something. Sure. Yes. Let's do this. And then I gotta merge this one. 1610 to this one. Git merge. This one. It's fine. There is no conflict here. Publish to origin. And then I don't get any more these errors. So let's go. Again, take a look at here. Tips is inside panel heading, which is inside panel success. And it's panel body. So I need to look for panel body here. Exactly. Just to be inside this thing. Again, this is not correct. This is not good. This is not. Let's do 2 spaces here, or 1. This is not consistent. Let's do 2 spaces. Yes, 2 spaces here also, because hey, we want to be consistent. Everywhere is 2 spaces, so let's make it 2 spaces. Also here it's line except, yeah, sure, I don't care. Okay, so now we're gonna go and put a paragraph here. For more information about the allowed file types, please see the following links. Now we have another UL. Why don't you can't you auto-complete this thing? Why why is this so bad? There you go. Like this. Now, okay, yeah, I have this thing. So I have this. Let's go here. So I have this thing. have this thing and these links. Where is it? Here. Provide the updated HTML. Perfect. I only want this with the proper format and two of those for some reason. So okay, so does it look good? Yeah, good. And the front end looks how? Oh. I guess this. Yep. So I'm gonna assume this is what we want. Fit updates tips with links. Yep, pretty much. It cannot make any test fail, this thing for sure, because nothing was removed. Let's go to the maybe we should shut it down, this video. I get a bit confused when I have so many things open. So I guess create a PR for this. This was pretty easy. Upgrade tip section to include relevant guides. Must doing. I guess maybe insert column to the left. Waiting for feedback. Yeah. So which one is waiting for feedback? Disable samples panel. Yes, this one. Tip section to include relevant guides. This one. So I can look into this. I'm not waiting for feedback anymore. Yeah, so I can go back to 1.6.10 First create this PR, I guess. First, let's create this PR with the. Let's go to the fork. To my fork. And we have these include tips, yes. And this is 1607. And let's update tips with tips panel with links. And we're gonna show the image. This how to test, describe, review that the content is as expected. Describe or added list of links and also wrapped list outside paragraph. Do not nest lists. HTML paragraph should not just nest list. Next nest. No problems. Changes. No changes. No changes. Change the code. No. Nope. Yes, that's pretty much it. Let's draft this pull request. Yep. Let's add it to the order of pull requests. Okay. I'm gonna take a 5 minutes break. So I'm going to stop the streaming and continue a bit later. Yep, because I'm gonna eat a little bit. I'm gonna stop the streaming.